Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this 2019 Sea Ray 19-foot SPX. As you can see, the back of this boat has sea deck matting in the back here. It's really nice and comfortable for the kids to stand on and jump off the boat. In the back here we have a 4-step ladder, which is really nice. Most of your older boats have a 3-step ladder. Boarding the boat here, again a 19-foot boat. It's got a nice walk-through so you're never stepping foot on the upholstery. Got a nice side seats here. This seat actually is stored underneath this seat if you want to sit there and have your feet on the floor. The bow is very spacious. Comes with Fusion audio speakers. This one has the upgraded sound system, which is absolutely amazing. It has a subwoofer, and the speakers, if you just played 2 of the speakers, they're absolutely phenomenal. Here in the rear, we have a fully insulated cooler under there, as well as storage under all the seats. And here at the helm, you have all your controls, hour meter, RPM, miles per hour, all your trim gauges, as well as this one has blue accent courtesy lighting. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.